Well, hello everyone. Glad to have you join us again. This is Anita White with Love Your Art. And if you've been watching for a while, we like to get started right away. So here we have a 11 by 14 inch canvas that has already been prepared with a base coat to save time. We have the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Acrylic Flow Black mixed with Floetrol and water. We also have the DecoArt Gold, 24 karat gold, mixed with the Artist Loft Old Gold, and that's our center color. We're going to test, this is a test video for us to see what we like to do with regard to a bigger, larger triptych. And so we're going to go ahead and start with popping the air bubbles, and this will be a Dutch pour. It's always important to have the canvas leveled before you begin laying any base coat or layering colors down, and we have already done that with this particular canvas. We check to ensure that it was level using a leveler before we put the base coat down. Now we're going to begin by having our colors introduced to the canvas. I will have some minimal colors we're using today. However, I'm anticipating great things, so we'll see. What we have joining us today is the Artist Loft Gray. We also have Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. We're also going to be using the DecoArt 24 karat gold and the old Artist Loft Old Gold, along with the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black in a squeeze bottle and the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White in a squeeze bottle. All of our colors have been mixed with Floetrol and water. And because this is going to be a Dutch pour, we're going to just do a straight across the canvas, and I want to see how these colors are going to match up. For the black, for the gray, this is the Artist Loft Gray. We're going to go right across, just like this. We're also going to do that with the Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Now, using the 24 karat gold, we're just going to put it on the black. Just a little bit here. This is a little bit there. Very dominant color. We're going to also put just a little bit of the gold here. This is the Artist Loft Old Gold on both sides. We will put the black in the middle. And we'll put the white across everything. Like so. Now I like to wrap back around because I like to see some of the colors that I really want to come out, make sure they come out nicely. So I'm going to wrap back around with the Permanent Blue Violet. Okay, we'll torch these, move everything aside and torch the layering colors. And then we're going to take our dryer, our blow dryer, on high, and we're going to see what kind of design we can come up with using the colors that we have chosen. So here we go. I think we'll start on the outside to my left. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Very nice. I'm glad that I did the wrap back around with the permanent blue violet. I love that color. It really has come out nicely. We really have a nice selection of color and flow and sails over here. This is a little darker, and I think I'm going to add a little more of the gold over here. Or maybe I'll try and blow some of that out. We'll see how that comes out first. We actually can try both, just so that we don't waste any time getting this done right. I also want to see some white on this side. Love the way the white came in on there. Let's see if we can get any more on this side. And again, we're going to try and pull from some of this gold that is currently here and see what happens. Put a little bit of black just because we want to have something to help flow around this. Okay, and get that air bubble out of there. Okay, good, good, good. We're going to try and blow from, we're going to try and blow from here into there. Okay, here we go. Got a little bit more white coming through, a little bit down here. And those are looking pretty good. Guess what I'm not liking as much is the, well, looking at this is not really bad. If it's got negative space here, I think I'd probably just want to have some black coming in here. Just taking some of that out. Maybe just leaving a little bit of negative space inside. To separate this a bit, like so. That'll create some negative space for us. Love the way these cells have developed here. Beautiful. This is really, really pretty. This side is nice, but not as pretty as this side. And again, I think it's because the contour of the colors, the white really just really highlights this permanent blue violet. So I think, again, want to try to get more white in here. And I don't usually blow over, but it's our design. We can do what we want. Glad I did, because that is much more desirable in terms of the overall outcome, how we're balancing out some of the white on both sides. This is coming in very pretty, and it also took in a little bit more of the gold here. We're going to go ahead and take our stick around and see if we can capture excess paint. This is really going to be a very, very beautiful design. I think once it dries, we've got lovely sails here on both sides of the canvas, and I believe the colors are really, really complementing one another. And that's what we really want. Okay. Nice, nice. I'm going to take my torch to this just one more time to ensure we don't have any air bubbles, or that we've really been able to resurrect any colors that are underneath there that we haven't brought forth. Pretty, pretty. I like it. Okay, well, the next thing is to bring you in for a close-up, so hold tight, here we come. Okay, here we are with the studio lights off. This is a close-up, and you can see where all the nice cell development took place in this design, and the beautiful shimmer throughout from the 24 karat gold in combo with the Artist Loft Old Gold. There's that dazzling effect right on top of the permanent blue violet. All that amazing lacing. Again, the shimmer that you can see from the 24 karat gold all throughout. Really, really giving it a nice, beautiful shine, iridescent look. I'm very pleased with that. And there we have it. Overall, I think it came out very nice. The color combination really does complement one another. Again, this is a 11 by 14, and it is available if you're interested. Email me at anitawhite.loveyourart@gmail.com. Certainly, if you haven't done so, we encourage you to go ahead, like and subscribe so you can be notified when we upload our next video. This is an amazing opportunity to help us grow together on this awesome art journey. So we welcome you, and we welcome your feedback and input. Please leave us a comment. Let us know how we can best serve you. So until next time, keep loving your art, and we'll look for you on the next video. Take care. Bye.